new just listed home, 1005 Tequesta Trail, Lake Wales, Florida, by James Oxendine from the Military Veteran Team. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-level residence offers 1,542 square feet of comfort on a cul-de-sac. The home features an open, airy layout with soaring cathedral ceilings and warm ceramic tile floors flowing throughout the main living areas. The kitchen is outfitted with sleek stone countertops and a full suite of appliances. The split-bedroom plan ensures privacy, highlighted by the generous primary suite with a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The 2 additional bedrooms are spacious with built-in closets, with easy access to the full second bathroom. A screened patio provides a serene oasis overlooking the lush golf course views, and a 2-car garage adds convenience. This gem won't last long. Act No.